Hello, hello, hello. Happy Easter to everyone. Happy Resurrection Day. As you guys can see, I'm on my way here into CVS. And I'm just running in here real quick to do a Huggies diaper deal for you guys. This deal is going to be amazing. So hold on to your seats. But before we get started, you guys know what I need you to do. I need you to give me that thumbs up. I need you to like this video. And I need you to share it with all your friends, your family. Text it out, share it on your social media, your Facebook, your Twitter, your Instagram, so that everyone knows that we are saving and that we are stretching our dollar just a little bit longer. Okay guys, so I'm here and I'm at the Huggies, and as you can see, the deal for the Huggies is buy one get one half off. But when you spend $30, you're going to get a $10 extra buck. So we're going to go ahead and we're going to grab 4 of these, and then we're going to use our paper coupons. And I'll show those to you in a minute. There's a couple different ones you can use. We have them out in a couple different circulars and they expire different times. So this is the one I'm going to use. I'm going to actually use 4 of these. Okay, guys, so when you grab 4 of the Huggies Pampers, you're going to use 4 of the $2 coupons that I showed you. So that means that's going to give you $8 off. But remember, you're going to get the $10 extra buck back when you spend $30. So we are going over a little $30. So we are going to get that $10 extra buck back. Now, please make sure that you go in your CVS app and see if you have any CRTs. Those of you who are not familiar with CRTs, they are personalized coupons that CVS gives to you based on items that you purchase. So make sure that you check that. Some people have a $3 off 15 CRT for Pampers or diapers. I personally have a $5 off 30 $5 off when you spend $30 in baby care, and Pampers and diapers are included in the baby care. So make sure that you use any of those CRTs, clip them to your account, because that's going to bring your out of pocket even lower. And if you have any extra bucks, go ahead and roll your extra bucks, because that way you will spend even less. And that's the whole purpose of the extra bucks, and that is how you maximize your savings at CVS, by rolling your extra bucks. So I'm going to use 4 of the coupons that I showed you, which is going to be $8. I'm going to use 4 of those. Plus, I'm going to roll over $10 in my extra bucks, because I'm going to get $10 in extra bucks back. And I'm going to use the 5 off 30 baby care CRT. So we're going to head up to the register, and I'm going to show you what this comes down to. But guys, the savings doesn't stop here, because I'm going to submit my receipt to Fetch Rewards, and that's where I'm going to get even more money back. So that's going to lower my out of pocket even more. It's going to be like these diapers are like free. So if you have not downloaded Fetch Rewards, here is my code, and I will put the Fetch Rewards link in the description box as well as the comments, so that you can sign up. Because every time you scan a receipt, no matter where it is, whether it's at a restaurant, a gas station, a convenience store, Target, CVS, Wise Market, wherever, you get points, and those points add up to money that you can buy gift cards with. So let's head up to the register and let's see what our out of pocket is going to be. Okay guys, so I am back from the store. I was not able to complete the video inside the store because there were so many problems with the register. Everything went smooth with the coupons. Everything went smooth with the extra bucks. It was just a problem with their register because the tape was not printing. So I'm going to show you what my receipt looks like. When they printed out my receipt, this is what I got. So my total came to $11.36. And that is because I use the wrong coupon. I showed you guys the $2 coupon to use. I had a $2 coupon and I had a $3 coupon with me because I was going to get some of the new diapers. But I handed her the $3 coupon. So those attached to the diapers, and this is what the coupon looked like. So I used 4 of these. So that was $12 off my total. And then I used the $5 off 30 CRT. And remember, I said some people got the $5 off 30 baby care. Some people got the $3 off diapers. So whichever one that you got, feel free to use. If you got any, that way your out of pocket is going to come out lower. And then I used my $10 extra buck. So my total came out to be $11.36. And again, this is what my receipt looked like. So I explained to the manager, and here you can see, where is it? There's where my extra buck, my $10 extra bucks would have printed out. But I explained to the manager that I need my receipt so that I can submit it to Fetch so that I can get my rebates back, because there's no way I can submit this receipt to Fetch. So she printed me out another receipt. Unfortunately, when she printed out the other receipt, my extra buck didn't print on it, number one. Which is okay because that will go into my CVS app. But number two, it didn't print out because with a barcode. So if I don't have a barcode or anything and it's just a sheet of paper, there's no way I can submit that to Fetch. So what she did is she returned everything, and then she said, we'll use a gift card to pay for everything. Well, I was kind of upset at first, because I'm like, oh my God, here we go. We got to do all this. And then my $5 for my CRT is not going to come off. You know, this is just going to be a disaster. It really worked out in my favor, guys, because when she did the return, she returned them at regular price. Their buy one, get one half off. So the regular price is $12.79, and then you get half off of that. For some reason, they rang up $9.70 some cents. So she returned them, and she ended up giving me a $38 CVS gift card. So if you think about it, I paid $11.36, and she gave me a $38 gift card. So really, there I made $27, right? So then she rang them back up again. Well, when she rang them back up again so that I could get my receipt, she had to, she couldn't reprint my $10 extra care bucks that I used already, and she could only reprint the $5 CVS CRT. So I'm going to show you guys what happened on this transaction. But again, if you do it, if you use the $2 coupon or $3 coupon, either way, I suggest you use the $3 coupon so that you can get the maximum savings. But this is what my receipt looked like. Hopefully it clears up. Okay, here we go. So you see there's 1 pack, 2 pack, 3 pack, 4 packs. So there's my $3 manufacturer coupon. So that was $12. Then there's a $6 extra buck I used, another $6 extra buck. The $5 CVS coupon is the one that she reprinted, and then I used another $2 extra bucks. So I used $12 in extra bucks on this. And I used my gift card. So at the end, it came to $7.36. Out of my $38 gift card, I paid that $7.36. So on my gift card, I still have $31. So guys, I really made out from their mistake. And then here is my $10 extra buck that she printed, because I should have gotten $10 extra bucks for doing this deal. So it was really crazy. I'm okay because I spent $11.30, but I still have a $10 extra buck, and I have a I also have the $31 that is left on my my gift card. And this is what the gift card looks like. So it's not like it expires. It's the CVS Money card. So I can use it at any time. But guys, this is where it gets even more exciting. So even if you pay $11.30, submit your receipt to Fetch. We have to do that because this is where the huge savings comes in. Here's my code to Fetch. I'm going to put the link in the description box as well, as well as in the comments. But when you submit this to Fetch, look, this is what you get. You get $15 back from Fetch. Look at all those different bonuses I got. So guys, you have to do that. So this was not only a moneymaker deal with the gift card for me, but it was also a moneymaker deal from Fetch. So if you think about it, this was like a $4 cash moneymaker with Fetch plus the gift cards. Now, I know everybody's not going to get that gift card because everyone's receipt is not going to mess up like mine. But everyone can do the deal where they pay $11.36, submit that receipt to Fetch, and get back $15 from Fetch. So guys, go ahead, do this deal, download Fetch. Make sure that you put in my code, because when you put in my code and you scan your first receipt, you get all kind of extra bonuses and things. And go out, do those diapers, run to CVS, get it done and over with. And until then, happy savings.